Hello, welcome to Greeting Star. Today I've got some beautiful Christmas cards for you that were fun and easy to make. I just used some old stickers that I had and some pre-folded and cut Christmas cards. This first one here has some stickers that are dimensional stickers that again were just some old stickers I had. I probably got these from Walmart or Michael's or something like that. And right here are the envelopes that I used. These were pre-cut, came in a package of 80. They're 4¼ by 5½ inches each, and I have several different boxes. These are manufactured by Craftsmith. Again, I got those at Michael's, and there were some that had red and green, and some that had this lighter green color with some purples and yellows. So I just used the cards that I had with some stickers. And you can see here, these are just some puffy stickers. And then that real pretty silver tape is just like some washi tape, again, that I got at like probably Walmart or a scrapbook warehouse sale. Anyway, I used these particular color right there, and I did trim it down a little bit. I used my paper trimmer to trim it down so it wasn't quite so thick because I thought the tape itself was too thick. Here's another one, and these again are some felt stickers that I had in my stash. And this was so much fun, you guys. I'm telling you, if you have a bunch of stuff that you've had laying around forever or maybe supplies that you used and didn't use all the way up, go back through it, pull it out, and try to see what you can do with it. I just used all of these stickers that I had, and it was so much fun because I just sat there and thought, okay, what can I do with these? And it was fast because the cards were already cut and it was ready to go, and it was so much fun. So you can see here that I use the Merry Christmas stickers. These are peel-off stickers that you can get like through Elizabeth Crafts or paperwishes.com. I'll leave a bunch of links in the bottom of the video for supplies that you can get. Again, these stickers are old. I've had them for a really long time, so probably won't be able to link to those, but whatever supplies I can link to, I will. Now this is some neat washi tape. This is actually, it has a shape and they kind of look like leaves, and I thought that was really cool. But I love the glittery gold of it and thought that fit perfectly with Christmas. So I just put that across the top and then put my stickers on there. And then to reseal this, I just used a piece of it. So that was a lot of fun too. And these again are some felt stickers that I had. Little reindeer's adorable. And then these particular stickers, some of them are the puffy stickers and some of them are the foam stickers. But anyway, it's nice because they're three-dimensional. And so since I had all those words on the front, I just put the Merry Christmas on the inside there. So I hope you're having fun watching these because I had a lot of fun making these cards. It was just great to just sit down and try to think, okay, how can I use these stickers with these cards? And they came together pretty quickly, actually. So this is a really neat sticker set that my mom gave me. It's got some really neat materials there that make the Santa look real. And I decided that when I opened this up that this ho 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 didn't really look finished. So I got one of my Sakura glaze pens right here in a green color, and I just decided to put some dots around it. Dots and dashes are great little embellishments for your card. So like if you put a sticker on a card and you're like, that doesn't really look finished, a good thing to do is to add either dots or dashes around it, and that'll help kind of set it off or add some contrast to make it pop out and more visible to the person who's getting the card. It's a lot of fun. It kind of adds some movement to it as well, and that's kind of neat, I think. And this particular ink, when it dries, it has a real shiny effect to it, almost like sort of like heat embossing. When you heat emboss a sentiment or an image, it has a shine to it. This does too. They're really cool pens, and you can also get those. I think I got those on Amazon. But anyway, now these little hearts here, again, that's that washi tape, and I just used some heart dies that I had, and I cut them out of this washi tape. And then the washi tape has a sticky backing, so basically like created my own stickers there. And then I just have to decorate the inside of the card and I'm done. And this one was really simple. Again, I just used the red and the gold tape, just put it on the side there, And then the season greetings sentiment there is one of those peel-off stickers. You can see here the one that I used. And that sticker there, that's an old sticker. I have had that probably 15, 20 years. Seriously, I'm surprised it still stuck. But it did, and it looks pretty neat. So here's some, these are actually from Creative Memories, believe it or not, back in my scrapbooking days. So this card here is really simple. It doesn't look quite finished, though. I think I might add some finishing touches to it. Not quite sure what to do with it. So I'll still keep working on that one, but it was cute. I wanted to show it to you. So I pulled out my stash of paper packs too, and went through and decided what to use with these. And they weren't even Christmas paper packs either. So these are some rub-on stickers, again, that I've had for a really long time. And you just rub those on, and on anything that you want to put it on. So I just pulled out some scrap paper that I had, trimmed it down to the size that I wanted. I used a corner chomper to make the edges of that green sheet rounded. And then I also used some crystal Nuvo crystal drops here in bright gold to add some dimension to the card. Right along there you can see the line. And then that's just some Christmas wrapping paper there on the side, that gold and white. So that was a lot of fun too. So just go through your stash, see what you have, and use it. Now this one is some really pretty plaid green paper, scrapbook paper, and I use that with the red, the glittery red washi tape. And then you can see there are two different colors of green card, but both of them looked really good with it. Again, here's some more scrapbook paper, and it's not even Christmas paper, but it looks like it. And I thought that with the wood there, the gingerbread and the brown go really well together, so I used those stickers with that one. And this one, again, I just matted my sticker on the square red card there, and I wanted to add some more definition or detail to it, so I used these Uniball markers here. These are pens, gel pens, and one in silver, one in white, and one in gold. I don't know if you guys enjoy embellishing your cards with things like this, but I really love it. I think it's a lot of fun. And in this case, I think I used the white Uniball gel pen. And I decided to add one of those glittery washi tape things down the center of it to make it look pretty. And for this one, I used the washi tape that was cut out into a shape with that cute little reindeer. And these are some really pretty felt snowflake stickers here, along with that shiny, puffy sticker on the top. This one is interesting. I don't know if it's too much. I kind of like it though. That's a felt sticker, and then again that paper there is just from one of my scrapbooking packs, and it's not even for Christmas. And then that black line, I actually just trimmed off the edge of my Merry Christmas stickers and used that. So, you know, be creative and look at what you have and try to use everything that you have. I think it looks kind of unique and interesting. This one is just putting that green glittery tape in the middle of the red with some candy cane stickers and some puffy foam stickers. And this one's really cute. These stickers are actually like made of like wood. They're kind of cool. And I thought that it went perfect with that sentiment, Cookies for Santa. And those two things didn't come together. I just pulled them and put them together. So you can see that one little gingerbread has his leg bitten off there at the bottom. That's kind of cute. So for this one, there's another rub-on sticker. That's just one of those rub-on stickers I showed you earlier that you use like a popsicle stick to rub them on. You can get these rub-on stickers from a lot of different places. And then I just use the gold washi tape to put on the corners of my card and image. Again, here's some more washi tape. This is just a regular card that I cut and folded myself, but I adhered the paper, this washi tape, the gold washi tape, to a piece of cardstock and then put the sticker on it. So the sticker would have like a mat for it. I made 2 of those actually. This one was really fun. I think this one's pretty cool looking. I took some Nuvo crystal drops in bright gold and put those on the corners of my focal image there, that little Christmas tree sticker. And that kind of finishes it off. And then on the side panel there, I just took a piece of red cardstock and ran it through one of these embossing folders, a Cuttlebug Swiss Dots folder. That adds some interest to the card. And I did the same thing with these ones. It's that same Swiss Dots. And then I created a mat for my little sticker there, Santa's Little Helper, with the washi tape. Now this background here is a background die. And I'm going to show it to you here in a minute, but I just put some stickers in the little windows. It looks like maybe a building or something like that, but it's really cool. This is from Creative Expressions. It's a background die. They're a company from the UK, but you can order it online at Amazon. So this is called Stitched Boxes, and it has the number right there for you. But again, I'll link to it in the description below the video. I thought it looked really neat. There's so many different things you can do with this die. I like it when dies are versatile because you can do lots of different things with them. So I've got the word Merry on the bottom, and when you open the card, I'll put the word Christmas inside there so it'll finish off the sentiment. And this one looks like a Christmas present with the silver washi tape. And then again, I matted the sticker and just used some silver pen, gel pen, to go around the edges of it with dots. Same thing with this Noel. So you can see the first card was right down the middle with the cross, and then the second one was over to the left. So all of these cards here kind of had the same idea, and I just used my gel pens in the appropriate color. And then this one here, that's a sticker. That Let It Snow is actually a sticker. And those little snowflakes, again, I used my silver washi tape with some snowflake dies that I had, and I created my own little stickers for the card. Simple, but really pretty and lots of fun. Here's another one where I took my white gel pen and went around the outside edges of the presents there and the sticker focal image. Now with this one, I used my gold Uniball gel pen and went around the edges of that mat. So there's so many different things you can do with these pens and like the Nuvo gel and things like that to add embellishments to your cards. So, you know, instead of just using stickers, you can do that, and it just really makes it kind of adds more interest, draws the eye more. But you can see that how simple these are. They're just some stickers that I put on some cardstock to mat the image, and that washi tape's pretty cool. Now this here I used, you can see that bow right there. That bow is a die cut that I have. I'll show it to you in a minute. It's right here. It's a Sizzix or Spellbinders, and it's Dies Delights, and it's called Bow Ties. And it's the numbers right there, S3. I missed it. Oh well. Again, it'll be linked down in the bottom. But I had lots of fun making these cards. Now this one is a sticky, puffy sticker there, and it was too long for the card, so I just trimmed it down. And then I used this Hero Arts Stampin' and Cut set here. It's I think the Merry Christmas one, as it has the word Merry in a stamp and also a die cut. So I die cut it out of it's called the Merry Stampin' Cut. So I just cut it out of some gold foil paper that I had. And then this one here, I used one of my embossing folders. This is an Anna Griffin Cuttlebug called Modern Vines. So I went ahead and ran that through my Cuttlebug, and then I used my gold Uniball pen to color it. I thought that fit well with the backdrop. And then here's one that I'm not really finished with it, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. So I used this background die from Darice, the snowflake background die. And it came, when I ordered it, it came with the magnetic backing, which I thought was really cool. So this one's called Snowflake Background, and it's by Darice. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So anyway, I probably have to add some words to it. But thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing all those cards. They were so much fun to make. So I encourage you to go through your stash and use your stickers and whatever you have left over. And again, look through things that maybe aren't even Christmas themed, because you never know what you're going to find. You just need the right colors that go together. So thanks so much and have a great day. And don't forget to check out my blog at greetingstar.org. And also I have an ebook that I've written that I've published on amazon.com/author/greetingstar. And that ebook is that you'll see an image here in just a second. It is called Illustrated Card Making for Beginners. But also there's great ideas in it for experienced card makers as well. Thanks so much and have a great day.